Imind yethu uma free siyakwazi ukucabanga straight, siyakwazi ukuconcentrate, asipanic, asina anxiety. You must remember, when you panic you make wrong decisions. Any decision oyenza because you are panic, it's a sudden decision wrong. Kunabantu abasejele because of sudden decision. Uthe mayikwatile or uthe mayipanika wenza isinqumo khipha umeso wakwazi umuntu waphonsa umuntu ebalcony wazibulala. Uthe mayipanika wakhuluma something. So when we panic, normally we don't think straight, and siyasola after ukuthi why ngenze le decision. Whenever we face a situation in life, normally bavamisa ukuthi bathi take a deep breath. It means funeka ube focus. When your mind is focused, uyakwazi ukwenza the right decisions. When your mind is focused, uyakwazi ukwenza informed decisions. When your mind yakho ingana focus, you make wrong decisions ebomini bakho. You make decisions also sola ngazo. There are people, they live a life of regret. Every time benza wrong decision. Every time benza wrong decisions. Ubomi babo is a life of regret. You can't live your life like that. You need to be proud of your decisions. You can be right all the time, but you need to be proud. I'm proud. I'm proud to whenever when the decisions it's a sign of panicking, it's a sign of immaturity. When the wrong decision, it's a sign of weakness, it's a sign of negativity. And the problem is that you will look back ebomini bakho, and then you will regret ubomi bakho. You will say ubomi bami bonke ngiyaregret. Why do you regret ubomi bakho? Because most of the decisions ozenze uphila were wrong. The reason why mosumdala usola ubomi bakho, it's because inqumo eziningi ozithathile they were wrong. That is why ubomi bakho bonke manje musumdala and look back uyasola. Awunazisola, you have to be happy with your decision. You need to be proud and say, I made the right decision ukuba la ukwenza lokhu nokwenza lokhu. And into akusiyo yona kuphela engasiza to make those decisions is to have a sober mind, is to have umqondo of focused. We make the right decisions. And in meditation, it helps you to always have umqondo or focus, because you always offload izinto. Meditation is good for you every single day. Ekseni phambi uqala usuku lakho or noma ntambama musuqeda usuku lakho ufuna ukunwind ususe zonke into during the day, so that ulale nomqondo clean ekseni uvuke ufocused. Now abantu abakinkolo ba focus too much in prayer, but abafocusanga ekulekeleleni ini umqondo wabo. So you understand? So if you are stressed or umqondo wakho ugcwele and you pray, ayizokuassist lo nto le. It's not going to help you, because you are just uyathandaza nje. And uthandaza even with the wrong mind, uthandaza with the panicking mind. Lo nto le ayizokusiza. And umuntu omeditateayo uhlale calm. You understand? Uhlale njani? Uhlale calm. Umuntu omeditateayo akapanic, akakho nervous, akuselo umuntu ohlala njalo esindwa, ehlala ephanika. Hey, kunabantu ungakakhulumi naye i-energy yabo indlalo. And if you are always stressed, remember nasendlini you give off i-energy yani ye-stress. So if umfazi uhlala stressed, this thing ya affect umshado wakho, because even if awukhulumi but esi stress sakho sizwa ifamily yonke. Indoda yakhe iyakwazi usifila esi stress because of the energy. Uyindoda uhlala stressed, umfazi wakho uyayifila le energy. Your parents nihlala stressed, abantwana bayayifila ini le energy ye stress. Abanye abantu unomntwana omncane umithi, umntwana uyaphila isiswini, uyayizwa lo mntwana i-stress esikhoyi la endlini. Umntwana uzalwe cripple, umntwana uzalwe ne-problems, and sometimes siyazibuza yini kanti umntwana it's because the time bekumithi bekuhlala ku-stress la endlini. Yini into esisiza sibe calm? It's meditation. We meditate.